Big Cove talks stocks. Who talks stocks? Big Cove. Let's get it. All right, this video is for today, Thursday, March 20th. Let's look at some charts together. So this is my little list for tomorrow. Now remember, on some tickers, we're still below our daily resistances on larger time frames like they are daily. All right, Palantir. But I still see some calls in the works. So we originally played this inverse head and shoulder. Got a little bit, came back. But what I'm seeing here is this double bottom. All right. So we're on the trend line, double bottom. Right. Double classes in session. All right. Higher lows, higher high, low, high, low, high, low. We want that high. All right. We're above support, one of our supports. Okay. So this is for Palantir. I've honestly been finding the 30-minute helpful as of late. Another thing, you're not gonna come in this game and win the first day, the first month. You might win a little money, but I need y'all to focus on the skill. Acquire the skill. I know we want the money, but if you focus on the money, you're gonna be listening to other people. You're gonna be trying to get, quick money. So you're gonna be trying to pay for alerts. You're gonna be doing, and you're gonna lose a lot of money. Why? Because you're not gonna know what the other trader's thinking that you're following. So you need to learn how to read these charts yourself and focus on that. If it hits your stop loss, you should be happy. Why? Because one, that's a part of the game. Two, you stuck to your strategy and you stopped out with a minimal loss. Instead of hoping and wishing and saying, oh, I hope it reverses, and then you're down 70%. We can't have that. We cannot have that. All right? Stick to these simple trades. We're getting in off this double bottom. It's a break and retest. Okay? It's a break and retest. And we're not going to hold it down here if it reverses. We're not coming down here. Or hopefully it rejects, it bounces from there. That's $79. That $79.80. That's damn near $6 and some change. But some of us will do that. No. Cut the loss, small loss, hop in another position. Boom, you can make it back. All right, that's Palantir. So you know what we're doing. All right, calls or Palantir. NVIDIA, yeah, NVIDIA. So something similar to that. All right. Now we don't know. This could just turn into a little head and shoulder. A little head and shoulder action could just build a. I want y'all to learn too. I don't want to just give you the charts. I want you to learn too. It could pull one of these. Well, not all the way down there. Probably to here. Grab this liquidity. And that's how you scalp, though. All right. You don't go crazy. That's a nice move down, though. But some people will stay in this thing hoping to get up. Listen, see how small that head and shoulder is? It's a $3 move, just about. Two and some change. $3. Two and some change. But if you get in and pull the trigger on time, you're good. But what I'm thinking is, we're going to get something like that. And why do you say that, Cole? Let me tell you. Let me show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. Trend. We are in a downtrend, but we are in the upper part of the downtrend. Okay. So we need it to be a high, low, back up high. Now, if we are now in a high, low, high situation, we're going to go down. All right. And once we break here, which is what I would actually call um, a neckline area, we're down, boom, 110, all right, 114. You see all these wick touch up. See that line? It's getting tapped everywhere, all the way over. All right. So you break that 114.75. Oh, my gaps are off. I know there's a little gap there. Buy out little gappy gaps. You gotta feel. So play price action. If it's really just kind of retesting this double bottom neckline area, it'll come back up, grab this liquidity. You might get that 120, 124 of those. What I'm hearing is, yeah, dying area. But, let price action dictate what you do. You got the daily 200 at 120.87 and the 20 at 119.59. So let's see what price action does. All right. It does this, you do that. Don't say, oh, it should do this or it might do that. No. Let it do what it do. It'll tell you what she wants to do. RCL. See what I'm saying? We're still below some daily resistances. I don't think my line is accurate on this one. Resistance. I'll fix that if I need to. Let's see why I drew that there. Oh, booyah. So, what I like about this, John, on the 30-minute, bow, 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 bow. All right, that is an area where stuff is happening. Okay, but it's a resistance which we broke. We are in. Whoop, whoop. So obviously, this would be your stop. All right, right below support, but not right there. You know what I'm saying? Just boop, give it some room, right? Huh. That's where I would put my stop. 213, and I'll be going for this gap fill. So we broke the resistances. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, but it was a little off. Wow. All right. So it's sitting right on resistance. Which is now support. It'll probably dip through a little bit. Unless we just gap and go. But y'all get the picture. We going up. Alright. Hold a runner to see if we break this resistance. Because if we break that one, then simple, boom. 230. Alright, we're at 215 right now. That would be beautiful. But we're taking it to 220. Still beautiful. Neo. Yeah, Neo. They have earnings coming soon. I don't be playing earnings. Look, and I missed this trade. But I was ready. Are you ready? Ready, 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 ready. Cause I'm ready, ready. You can tell I got kids. I'm singing the song. Let's learn about the shapes. Okay, so on Neo, you can tell this stock been beat down a little bit, but on the daily, we are now above the 200. Okay, above the 200 and sitting at daily support. Okay, we. It looks like we broke it. So let me see. Let me see. Let's do this together, y'all. Why do I have a resistance? I think I charted this when I first wasn't all that great a charter. A little gappy gap. All right, better. 1, 2, 3 taps. All right, now check this out. I can't even do it up here. Check this out though. Want to see something pretty cool? If you like patterns, if you're a pattern guy like me, what we got here, guys? A cup, a handle. I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Cup made its handle. All right, let's bust it down to the hourly. Look at this. We teaching lessons. We teaching lessons. All right. You want to get in above 530, or if I think I'm seeing a double bottom here. Yep. Or 523. All right. Your first target 547. Yeah. 540. So 545 to 550. All right. Don't be greedy. Now, if you want to swing it, then 540 got a little resistance. I'll just hold the 6. I'm not even gonna put the resistance there. The 6. Yep. Might as well just add that, But that'll take some time. Let's focus on the day trade. Off of that double bottom. See, and look, I swear the measured move is accurate. Anyway, just for a small move though. You can take it to 550 tomorrow. This is we day trade. All right, let me erase. Now we'll leave that there. All right, Hems. Erectile dysfunction, acne, need some lotion. Hems. All right, double bottom. Let's break this 20. That's on the forearm. Let's bust it down to the hourly. All right, you see our neckline. It pretty much coincides with this. So you can play this double bottom. You can play this double bottom. You can go for the gap fill. Well, first you want to go for 37.60. Then the gap fill 40. All right, so we got a double bottom on Hems. That's what I'm looking at. Wait for the neckline to break. What else we got? SM Or. SM Aura. A nice little inverse head and shoulders. We're on a nice little uptrend. And this is new scale. Alright. What am I waiting for on new scale? Well, let's see. I probably did it on the daily. Yes, I did. So, we have some daily support here. Okay? We have a double top neckline break. This could be a possible retest. Okay? This could be a bear flag, and we could just now. This is what the technical analysis would say. All right, we're gonna do. Ay, ay, ay. But when you look at it, you're like, ooh, I should get in calls. And that's why you got to scale out. Because it's a possibility that calls play out. It's a possibility, right? Of course it is. Of course there's a possibility, right? And it could be, you see, I'm trying with y'all. I just threw this on the chart. Threw this on my watch list because somebody was talking about it. And I don't know if it's because big money got into it. I don't remember exactly why, because I look at the charts. That's how I do it. I look at the charts. The charts tell me what the charts want me to do. So, honestly, if we break this resistance here, we could get a nice pop up because it would actually make some sense. So if we break this resistance right here, all right, $19. If we break $19, we're at 18.53. If we break $19, then you can take calls, and I would say up to 24 bucks. That's a swing. You could do 22 bucks, 22 bucks, then 24 bucks. That's what I would be going for. 22 and then 24. But you would have to put some time on these. This wouldn't be a day trade. This will be a swing. I believe there's one more. Oh, this was the one big money put some millions in. That's why it's popping like that. So I am waiting to see. I might no, because I don't do it off other people. So I was gonna say I might scale in, but no, nah. It gotta break. It gotta break. Damn, I was doing these on the fly. All right, just put it on your radar because I didn't chart this right, and I don't feel like charting this. If I turn this phone sideways, it gets really small on you, and it won't look great. Just put that on your radar because the big boys are playing with it. Definitely looks like it wants a downtrend though, so I don't know. They got calls a couple months out, and it's like $80 calls or something crazy like that. But these pharmaceutical companies can pop. Like as you see, like it popped from 45 to 68. in 1, 2, 3, 5 days. You know what I'm saying? That's more than 50% on the stock. 45 to 68. Yup. 51-ish, 52, whatever. You get the picture. It looks like it wants to go down though. All right. Anyway, this you got the moves for tomorrow. The main ones are Palantir, Nvidia, RCL, and HEMS. All right, that's the main stuff. Oh. One more. Two more. Tesla. I don't know where it's gonna be. We was extremely oversold, but what I see inbound is this. We had a double top neckline break. That was a nice move down, but we got a potential inverse head and shoulders, which will bring us right back up to 250. All right, that's a beautiful move right there. 250. Yup, that move is beautiful if it plays out. If not, and we could even feel that little gappy gap. All right, we could even feel that little gappy gap, but I wouldn't get greedy unless we just fly through it. So potential inverse head and shoulders. If we reject and come back down, we're coming back down here. All right, we're coming back down here. 220, 225. We're coming back down there. It's gonna be a nice move. If you pull the trigger, don't get scared. As soon as you get confirmation, booyah. And now SPY. I want to go with SPY because I like SPY. It's giving us clear levels. And as you can see, I played it earlier. I got in calls here, rolled it up. Took 40%. I didn't ride it all the way up like I should have, but I got it back down. It caught me a little 33%. So if we can break 570, right? We got 572 inbound and then 575. I gotta update some of these. I've been scalping, so I gotta change some of these. But clear levels. If we continue to, so if we gap up, say we gap up, boom, we're at 5. We're up right here. Gap up and go. See what we're doing. If it starts to pull back, wait for a little, boom, gap up and go. If we keep rejecting, we're going down to 562, right? We're going down here, boom, and then we're going to 560. All right. Again, I gotta fix these scalpel lines because I've been doing too much stuff. But this is the range right here. All right. That is your range. If we break that 570 strong, then you're going to 572, 575. Yeah, we definitely gotta fix those. If we, continue to reject, you're going to 562, then 560. That could be a double top though, and we could be back down. If that's a double top, and we break this neckline, the 560 area, yep, we're going down here. So be ready to either take SPY up here, gap fill, take her up, or take her now. I will fix all these lines and do whatever, and do a different video on SPY when I get the levels right, because my levels are decent, but they could be definitely better. Yeah, that's why I got in earlier. All right, but again, this could be the double bottom break retest, continue up, or it could be a double top, neckline break, high out down to the bottom. So it's simple. We reject. You can take her down, get to 560, neckline break, 550. All right, big gold talk stocks. Big cold talk stocks. Yeah, yeah.